races we go. Woo! Woo, woo. Tonight we're going to the East Coast Indoor Dirt Nationals in Trenton, New Jersey. They just bring in a whole bunch of dirt into an indoor stadium, which happened to be all clay. It was green in color, pretty cool. I've been to NASCAR, I've been to NHRA, but I've never been to an indoor race. It was a pretty cool experience to be able to go to an indoor track. Plus a group of people we were with, we had a freaking blast. My friend Al at Custom Built Products invited us to go. He sponsored part of the race, and having pit access was really made the experience. The cars are 600cc motorcycle engines, look like dual overhead cam, chain driven with a solid rear axle. Something else that was neat was one of the guys from the race was expecting a baby that night. His name's Tim Buckwalter, and he drives a number 71 car. More about him later. Got the full experience, got mud kicked up in the seat, which was pretty wild. Small stadium, you're up close and personal with the cars, with the noise, the feeling. You know, you hear the motors revving and you can feel it in your body.
As they roll down into 3 and 4, Blick a turn! 360s as they keep going.
Fast cars, mud, short track. What could go wrong? The competitiveness of the drivers was intense. You could tell that they just wanted to fight it out. It's nonstop bumping into each other, rolling around, and it's nonstop crashes. And the miraculous part about it, nobody gets hurt. After all the qualifying runs, it's time for the main event. 25 racers, $5,000 grand prize. Might not be the most important race in the world, but to these drivers it was. And the cool thing is, the guy expecting a baby made it to the main race.
Let's get up. You've got a favorite in the field here somewhere. 25 drivers gunning for a prize that will only go to one at the end of this 50-lap contest.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, the time for talking is over. The time to race is now.
And we are green!
For the beginning part of the race, Alex Bright, Connor Gross, and Briggs Danner were battling it out for the lead, but baby-expecting Buckwalter was never far behind.
Danner gets into Buckwalter, the 71 spins.
These drivers kept that right foot down to the boards the entire time.
We are closing in on lap number 10. Alex Bright is holding on to the top spot, and they are stacked like crazy behind them.
Something that I was really impressed with was how safe this race was. The moment an incident happens, they got the flags, they got LED lights lighting up yellow, and they got people with flags waving people down to slow down so this way they don't crash into somebody.
Traffic is going to get hot and heavy here in about another 2 or 3 laps. New leader off turn number 4. Buckwalter dive bombs the inside. He'll take the lead from Pauch Jr. side by side, wheel to wheel for second. Adrianna in that number 2 spot as they work their way back down into turns 3 and 4. White flag will wave this time. Buckwalter back down into turns 1 and 2 once again. He's got 1 car length in the bank, and it's going to be 1 for the baby. Timmy Buckwalter wins. Pauch Jr. aces Adrianna for second across the line. Give it up for Timmy Buckwalter.
That's right, Tim Buckwalter, the guy with the baby on the way, won the race. What a great story. And what a great night.
Oh yeah, hoist that trophy high in the air, Keller. All right, ladies and gentlemen,